Today we're going to do a balloon jump. So the aim of the game is that Mummy's going to be throwing the water balloons at us, and if we catch it, we get a point. If we drop it, we lose a point.
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Who's going to start? Lucy?
Yeah.
So if it pops, you lose a point, okay? Brilliant! Put it in your ring. So 1 point to Lucy. Are you ready? Are you steady? Oh, 1 to Jamie. He nearly stepped out of his ring. He nearly lost all his points. Oh! So Lucy's back to 0. Jamie, you ready? Steady. Oh! Out of the... I think you can still class that as catching it. So Jamie, you're 2. Lucy 0. Ready? Oh!
Minus 1.
Minus what? Minus...
Because it was too heavy.
Yes, minus 1. Oh, Jamie 3. Jamie, you're doing so well. Ready, Lucy? Bend your knees a bit when you catch it. Ready? To go. Minus 2.
Come on,
Ready, Jamie? Ready? Oh, 4 to Jamie. Ready, Luce? You can do this.
No, this is the biggest one.
You can do this. He steps out his ring, you win anyway. Minus 4, 3. Oh, Jamie. 5. I'm sure yours is minus 5, isn't it, Lucy?
Yeah.
Oh no, minus 4. Ready, steady.
Why do they keep doing it?
Because you can't catch them. Ready?
Oh no, this is the biggest one!
This is the Whopper.
Dun,
Dun 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 dun. This is the Whopper. Ready? Ready? Steady. Oh! So Jamie back down to minus 4.
Wait, what?
Oh, sorry, back down to 4. So 4 minus 4. Should we compromise? To say if Lucy catches this, she wins? I would go with that, Jamie, because what's the odds?
No. If she catches it, she wins. If she doesn't, I win.
Ready?
Watch the balloons. I'm scared.
Oh, yeah! She did.
She stepped out for
No,
me.
to get the balloon, so that's all right. You were the winner.
That's not bad for 5.
You bet wrong. You bet wrong.
Video and give us a thumbs up. And I still got some more. I subscribe.